Welcome to this course, where we will learn how to use the basic SolidWorks 2017 application for fluid flow analysis, FloXpress. In this first class we will see how the course is organized to facilitate your understanding, and we will make a brief introduction to FloXpress. Come on, let's go. This course is organized into classes, where we explain how to use FloXpress, detailing all the options available at each step of the wizard. Practical examples, where we conduct case studies, improving the use of FloXpress. And complementary exercises, which are suggested tasks for you to do and train your apprenticeship. Now let's get to know FloXpress, an application that has been included since the basic SolidWorks packages. With FloXpress we analyze fluid dynamics when flowing through parts or assemblies. We get the simulation response through speed, with which we can discover the problem regions of our part and correct still in the design phase, reducing costs and rework. FloXpress does not consider the effects of heat transfer, although it calculates the temperature distribution in the fluid. There is no option to show this temperature distribution. Note some models that we will analyze along this course, simulating flow of fluids such as water and air. Reporting values for variables such as pressure, volumetric flow and mass flow. It is important to note that FloXpress is an application to assist in the design step, reducing the time to launch the product, but it should never replace field testing. Therefore, do not use FloXpress as the only basis for decision-making, but do calculations and practical tests, which are mandatory to validate the final design. We finished this class, where we saw how the course is organized to facilitate learning, and we got to know a little about FloXpress.